Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening services. MSC as administrator and locating Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Right-click, then stop each service now. This halts active update tasks. Once stopped, change startup type to disabled for both services so Windows won't restart them automatically. This prevents scheduled triggers. Make sure you have a local admin account and back up critical files before continuing. Because disabling updates can reduce security, you're trading automatic patches for full manual control. Next, open Task Scheduler and find update-related tasks under Microsoft /Windows Update. Disable each task to prevent scheduled runs. Then run gpedit. MSC and set computer configuration, right arrow administrative templates, right arrow Windows components, right arrow Windows Update, right arrow configure automatic updates to disabled. This enforces policy-level prevention. Once done, stop Windows Update service again and rename C /Windows /software distribution and C /Windows /system 32 /catroot 2 to add. Old. This prevents cached components from triggering updates. These steps block multiple update trigger paths. Finally, reboot and verify Windows Update and bits are still disabled in services. MSC and confirm Task Scheduler entries remain disabled. This completes the permanent deactivation process on the local machine. Make sure Windows Update settings show updates paused or unavailable. If they revert, check for enterprise group policies or OEM tools that may re-enable updates. If things go wrong, a key troubleshooting tip is to search for vendor management agents or MDM profiles and temporarily re-enable services to restore updates. Then remove the controlling profile before disabling again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.